Japan versus Jamaica. Who ruled the boom sound clash?
Contender was more of a hug up than throw punches. You'll see what I'm talking about.
Sumfest is back and there's a lot planned.
He can't really be called Big Pop anymore. 66 pounds lighter, Sanjay holds a reason with him.
All this and a whole lot more. Get ready to get intense.
About the Boom Sound Clash finals at All-Star Thursdays. It's Japan versus Jamaica. Who walked away with the crown? You might be surprised.
It's the Boom All-Star Clash finals featuring Bass Odyssey versus a Japanese sound called Yard Beat. We're gonna get beat.
This is the killing machine from Alexandria.
Who do you think will win overall tonight?
Yard from Japan.
You don't know, sir, but like how Yard Beat are going, but you don't know, sir, a Bass Odyssey may bring tonight.
The Bass Odyssey on the club. Innocent sound. As a sound man on the self, how the clash go so far?
Yo, the clash very intense.
Japanese, they are coming for our music.
Bass Odyssey are late. They might roll up the ball game already.
They like the vibes, that's what I say.
The clash intense.
Me and talk about that clash are bad.
Japanese them going on good, but you know, our Bass Odyssey.
They might lie to you. They're not trying to get tricky. The people that want to be as a from cassette is. What now, salute? Let me see on them. So
right now, the clash loaded, hot, slap wet.
All right, now we're there with the two finalists for Boom All-Star Sound Clash. Bass Odyssey and Yard Beat. Bass Odyssey, what go on?
You know, say, it go down to some penalty kick out. You understand? I'm going to bam for the two first ball. Straight goal. But I want to say how the keeper gets serious.
Yard Beat, congratulations.
Thank you very much. It was kind of hard, you know, Bass Odyssey, you know, biggest song in Jamaica. You know, so...
Look, you really do your research on the culture, though.
Yeah.
Every time they play a same set of song. I don't know what you're 200 here right now. Listen.
Living proof that Jamaican sound system culture is well alive. Congratulations to both teams. Yard Beat, on a take it.